Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Twisted Tuesday, October 14th, 2025. And this is the daily frame. As you can see, we have an outside day, bearish body, outside day, bearish body, outside day, bearish body right across the board now. The Dow has just recently made that outside day. It was actually trading above a little bit earlier on. So now we have a matched or synchronous picture here for the three sisters coming into the New York Open. This is my trading grid, daily, 30 and the 1 minute chart, sometimes a 30-second chart under fast market conditions. My 30-minute chart is my zone time frame, and as you can see, we have a turbo zone, naked body, or fair value gap if you like, up above, same sort of thing down here below, turbo, naked body. Inside of this range, the span of travel from yesterday, this is yesterday's Asia, London or Europe, and New York. Asia, Europe, and now we're going to open on New York. So anybody's guess as to what happens here, but we've been drifting down through Asia and through London, finding a little support here, guys, right at that massive 1 minute candle on Sunday night. That was 6 p.m. The Australian Open, a 200-point 1 minute candle, something I can't remember seeing for a very long time, if ever. And so we have rejected a little bit from there. I'm curious to see if we can or if we're going to get down below. S&P, guys, is a very similar picture as you can see here. And there's the 1 minute open range on NASDAQ, guys, about 55 points, give or take. And on the S&P, it is about 8.25 points. This is my 1 minute chart, guys, the Asian open range and the London open range. And here's the New York open range just below. I'm just going to put a small zone in here, guys, just to kind of bracket off this whole grindy section in London or from London. Just to give me a bit of a frame of reference. Bringing out a marker here, guys. This candle closes in 10 seconds. When it does, I will sell the bottom of it. In other words, the break of this candle. Here we go. Right now, guys. Sell stop order. Stop above the open range. In fact, just above that little wick right there. See that there? Here we go. And I'm in, guys. I am in just like that. Short the NASDAQ out of the gates, and I'll explain this, of course. Not wasting any time here, guys. This bigger picture structure is everything for me here. And target one has been hit, guys, and so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. So why am I short here, guys? Hopefully it's fairly self-explanatory, but impending breakdown into this clean traffic zone with naked bodies down below. This serves as a very powerful magnet, but more importantly, starts over here, guys, with the daily chart. We've had this very big, shocking sell-off on Friday, one resting candle, or a version of a pullback here inside of the impulse. So impulse down, corrective up, failed attempt higher here, guys, overnight. Asia and London tried to go higher, and North America came in here on the open and said, no, we're going lower. We're not buying that. And in fact, even in London, guys, we broke the prior day's low. So this is a bearish engulfing, almost. It certainly is a bearish outside candle. And the fact that we have the same thing happening on all three sisters here, this is a broad-based selling and a broad-based resumption of that initial impulse wave down. Selling the break below open range after one shift candle, closing outside of the open range, 9 below 21. EMAs have now exited the open range. And we have this beautiful clean traffic turbo zone down below with some naked bodies to be covered. Naked bodies, candle bodies, that means, like to be covered. It doesn't mean they will always get covered, but it tends to be a pattern that we see. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game as well. All right, guys, we're back, and as you can see, we have pulled all the way back to my original entry, and that means that the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. Let's see where we go from here. All right, guys, we're back, and it's around 10:13 a.m., looking like we're about to pull all the way back to my original stop loss order, in which case we will have a 1R winner, a 1.5 hour winner at break even, and only one trader, the 2R all or nothing trader, will take a charge of 1R right there. So pretty good morning all around, despite the volatility that we're experiencing here. Very uncertain times with all this trade war stuff going on, but it's an interesting trading environment, that's for sure. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Appreciate you. Have an amazing afternoon, and we will see you tomorrow for Hump Day and more fun and games. Take care.